What's up, everybody? This is my bike check. It's on the 2011 Fit Aitken 3. And yeah, let's just get started from the top of the bike. I have Fit Sky High bars, or whatever you want to call them. They're 8.25 rise and I think like 28-29 inches wide. I have dark blue ODI grips, ODI bar ends, the stock Fit top load stem, Fit Shiv 2 forks, stock hub, everything in the front wheel is stock. Sorry, it's the Revenge Industries rim that comes stock with most of the Fits. The Fit Mike Aitken 3 frame. Let's see, stock cranks in there. I have a Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket because the other one was kind of messed up. Pedals off of my Eastern Ramrodder I had last year, and I just found these laying around because it came stock with S&M 101 metal pedals, and I'm not a big fan of metal. But yeah, Animal Rocky Balboa sprocket, Colt half-link chain. Back rim is a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub laced to a Shadow Conspiracy stun rim. Stock fit seat, integrated seat clamp to pivotal seat, as you can see. Fit FAF tires front and back with 110 psi in them. And if you want to know, and if you guys just want to know how the back hub sounds to if you guys just want to know how the Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub sounds, here it is. And yeah, this is my bike check on the 2011 Fit Aitken 3. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna have more videos coming up soon. Like that bike over there is a little building process this Sunday. Gary Young frame, and then like a bunch of shit parts on it. So hopefully I have a bike check of that up. I'm gonna be playing a game of bike with this one fag that lives down the street. He said he's gonna get the Fit Stay Strong. He's a little kid who tries to top everybody. Like, he hates to be last, he always needs to be first. So if you guys are looking forward for that. And it's November, so winter's coming. I'm not gonna be doing dirt anymore because I have a dirt park right down over there. Can't do it no more because it's gonna be wet, it's gonna be really cold. So I'm gonna give indoor skate parks out for a try. So I hope you guys are ready for that, and I hope you enjoyed my bike check. Rate, like, subscribe, comment, whatever, and that would be greatly appreciated. Thanks, guys.